Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Keurig Descaling Cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked maintenance products for any Keurig coffee machine owner, ensuring that your beloved brewer continues to deliver that perfect, flavorful cup of coffee every single morning without any of the gritty, mineral buildup that can compromise taste and longevity. This specialized formula is designed to effectively break down the internal scale and residue that accumulate over time from water and coffee grounds, preventing clogs and restoring optimal brewing performance, so you can savor every drop without worry. Number 5. Impresa Universal Coffee Machine Descaler. Introducing our universal descaling solution, perfect for all single-use coffee and espresso machines. Keep your brewer in top condition with this powerful cleaner. This pack includes two 8-ounce bottles, providing enough solution for 4 descaling sessions. It effectively cleans away residue and oil buildup. Our highly effective formula is made in the USA. Just 4 ounces are needed per session, ensuring your machine stays clean and runs optimally. Regular use eliminates limescale and mineral buildup, preventing corrosion. This significantly extends your machine's lifespan and enhances coffee taste. It's not just for Keurig, it's compatible with virtually all single-use coffee and espresso machines, including popular brands like Nespresso and DeLonghi. This versatile solution works for automatic, manual, pod, filter, and even commercial machines. It's also great for kettles and water heaters. What we like. This descaler is incredibly versatile, working with almost every single-serve coffee and espresso machine on the market. If you have multiple brands of coffee makers or are unsure about compatibility, this is the one to go for. Its made in the USA formula is also highly effective and long-lasting, offering great value. What people say. This cleaner works great and is easy to use. It effectively removes mineral buildup and keeps my coffee maker running smoothly. I appreciate that it's specifically designed for Keurig machines, ensuring a proper clean. Number 4. Keurig 3-month Brewer Maintenance Kit. Ensure your Keurig brewer always delivers the perfect cup. This kit provides everything you need for optimal performance. Inside, you'll find descaling solution to remove mineral buildup, and new water filter cartridges to ensure fresh-tasting coffee. The included rinse pods make the cleaning process quick and easy. Just follow the simple steps for a refreshed brewer. This maintenance kit is designed to work seamlessly with your classic 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cup coffee makers. With a 7-count supply, you're set for 3 months of regular maintenance. Enjoy delicious coffee without worry. Regular descaling and filtering help maintain the true flavor of your favorite coffee. Experience the best with a clean machine. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for keeping your Keurig in top shape. If you're looking for a convenient way to handle descaling, water filtration, and general cleaning all at once, this is an excellent choice. It ensures your machine is not only descaled but also that your water is filtered for the best taste. What people say. The descaling solution effectively removes any mineral deposits and buildup inside the machine, while the water filter cartridges help maintain pure and fresh-tasting water for brewing. The cleaning tools make it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough cleansing of the brewing system. Since using the maintenance kit, I have noticed a significant improvement in the taste and quality of my coffee. Number 3. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? Our powerful tablets are designed to restore its peak performance and brewing quality. These tablets effectively break down stubborn mineral deposits and scale buildup. Enjoy a cleaner machine and better tasting coffee with every brew. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of popular coffee makers. From Nespresso to Keurig and beyond, we've got you covered. Simply drop one tablet into your machine's water reservoir and run a brew cycle. It's a quick and effortless way to maintain your appliance. This pack contains 24 individual cleaning tablets, providing multiple uses for long-lasting freshness. Keep your coffee tasting great for months to come. Whether you prefer a classic drip coffee or a rich espresso, our cleaner is suitable for both. Experience optimal flavor from all your favorite coffee styles. What we like. For those who prefer a no-mess, easy-to-use format, these tablets are ideal. If you have a variety of coffee machines, including drip brewers, and want a simple way to decale them, these tabs are perfect. The large count ensures you're stocked up for a long time. What people say. These tablets make it really easy to decale and maintain the coffee machine. Just drop one in and run the cleaning cycle. It helps keep the machine running smoothly and the coffee tasting the way it should. Simple and effective. Works as advertised. Much easier to use and clean Keurig over other descaling methods. Using this product to decale my single-serve Keurig was both easy and fast. No more combinations of buttons to simultaneously push to put the machine in decale mode, and my coffee seriously tastes better. Number 2. Keurig Brewer Cleanse Kit. Ensure your Keurig coffee maker always brews at its best. This kit is designed for optimal descaling and maintenance, keeping your machine in top condition. Inside this package, you'll find everything you need for a thorough clean. It includes a powerful descaling solution and convenient rinse pods to remove buildup. No matter which Keurig model you have, this kit is compatible. It works seamlessly with both Keurig Classic 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cup pod coffee makers. Descaling your coffee maker is simple with this kit. Just follow the easy steps to remove mineral deposits and enjoy a cleaner brew every time. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your brewer. Use this kit to keep it running smoothly and brewing delicious coffee for years to come. This 5-count kit provides multiple cleaning cycles. It's a convenient way to ensure your coffee maker remains clean and functional. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for Keurig machines, offering both a powerful descaling solution and rinse pods for a thorough clean. If you own a Keurig and want a straightforward maintenance routine that tackles both internal descaling and brewing chamber cleanliness, this is a great option. What people say. It had no effect whatsoever on my coffee machine. I put this full bottle in the reservoir as per instructions and it foamed and fizzed and cleaned the entire machine. The descaling solution works its magic by dissolving mineral buildup that may accumulate over time, ensuring my Joe is brewed at the perfect temperature for that impeccable taste and tantalizing aroma. The Keurig Brewer Cleanse Kit is a win for cleaning the crud out of my single-serve Keurig. It worked perfectly, and I will have a treatment for the next cleanse. Number 1. Caffenu Keurig Compatible Descaling Solution and Cleaner Pods. Keep your coffee pure and flavorful with our descaling solution and cleaning pods. This maintenance kit includes an eco-friendly descaler and cleaning capsules to give your coffee maker a thorough, powerful clean. Our eco-friendly descaler removes mineral, limescale, and rust buildup. Regular descaling helps to prolong the life of your coffee machine, ensuring hotter, better-tasting coffee. These cleaning capsules remove debris from hard-to-reach areas. The powerful cleaning action eliminates dirty oils and odors in just 2 minutes, heightening your coffee flavor and aroma. We recommend using our cleaning pods monthly and the descaling solution every 2 to 4 months. Your kit provides a single dose of powerful cleaning action for lime, calcium, oil, and tannin. Our descaling solution and cleaning capsules are compatible with all Keurig 1.0 and 2.0 brewers. Enjoy a perfect cup of coffee every time. Our cleaning powder and plant-based liquid are made from sustainable materials with recycled packaging. Experience effective cleaning that's kind to the environment. What we like. This option stands out with its environmentally conscious approach and dual-action cleaning system. If you prioritize sustainable products and want a quick, effective clean that reaches areas other cleaners can't, this is the one for you. The included cleaning pods are particularly good for tackling residue in the brewing chamber. What people say. Quick and effective. After using it, I noticed an immediate improvement in the taste and flow of my coffee. The process was quick and straightforward. Just pour, run the cycle, and rinse. No harsh chemical smell. Unlike some other cleaners, this solution has a mild scent that didn't leave any lingering odors in my machine. Compatible and safe. It's fully compatible with my Keurig, which is great peace of mind. No risk of damaging the machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.